Today, we'll be taking a look at the door latch assembly on this Whirlpool electric range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this terminal cover here. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the bottom. Once we take these out, you want to slide down on the plate, pull out, and set it to the side. Next, we'll need to remove the upper rear panel. There are multiple Phillips screws around it that'll have to be taken out. Now, before I remove the top ones, I'm going to push the panel in and hold up. Let's take the first one out, second one. You'll want to lift out on the panel, pull down, and set it to the side. Now that we have the top panel removed, we have clear access to the door latch motor down here. Now, the 2 main reasons why you'd be replacing the door latch motor is if it is not functioning correctly and not allowing it to go through self-clean, in which case there are some door latch motor error codes that could be in the system, or it may be loud as it's actuating. Now, in order to replace it, what we'll want to do is pull off all of your wiring. And then we have 2 Phillips screws on the underside that'll need to be removed. So take the first one out over here. And we have the second one on this side. Kind of hold it in place while you do this. And then your pin on here, you're gonna have to pull the pin up right here, pull it out of the hole of the door latch motor, and set the motor to the side. When installing your new door latch motor, first we have to install the pin. So wherever your actual actuator system is at, make sure you pull your pin accordingly and slide it into the actuator. Then we'll hold it up, reinstall the first screw, let's go ahead and reinstall the second one now. Slide back on our wiring, and if you remember correctly, the coated wires were on the actual solenoid on the bottom, and the blue wires were on the switch on the top. Now we can reinstall the back panels. When reinstalling your top rear panel, you're going to bring it in at an angle, and it will slide in the middle, but stay out on the end. So let's have that side in. We'll leave this side out, lift up. Let's get our first screw and start to put it in, and tighten it up. Let's maneuver this under here so that we can install the second one. And that should hold your plate so we can go around the remainder of the perimeter and install the others. Now we can reinstall the terminal cover. When reinstalling your terminal cover, we will want to put all of these stakes inside the slotted spots on the oven. So put these in with them facing up. What we'll do is smack on the bottom to lift them up in place. Reinstall our 2 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.